Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your Ubisoft email after creating an account. So first head into ubisoft.com and then click the profile icon that you can see in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking this, click the account management tab and then it will redirect us to our account information. Now click the account information. And since we want to edit our email, click the edit button here. And then click the change button in the email address. Click the send. Now go to your Gmail account. And then click the email that was sent by Ubisoft. As you can see here, we just need to click this link which is here. Now we can set our new email address. Now after inputting the email address, click the change email. Now we have to input a verification code that was sent to the new email. Now input the verification code and click the confirm button. And that's it. As you can see here, we have updated our email address in our Ubisoft account. Let's test it. Go to account information, and that's it. As you can see, it was updated, and that is how to change your email in your Ubisoft account. And thank you for listening.